Okay, so I am going to record a video to show you how to navigate. We're starting here at the Ridgeview website. You can go to Directory. You'll scroll down. It'll just go alphabetical unless you click here on Math. So we'll click here on Math. Scroll down. You can either choose Miss Davis or Miss Ortega. It really doesn't matter. I went ahead and chose Miss Davis. Both of our agendas have the same links up here on the top, the tabs. Click on Assignments, and both of us have really big letters for the agenda here. Hopefully what you'll notice is that on your browser bar here, that this star is already filled in, which means you already have it as a bookmark. And if your student is signed in as themselves with their school email for Gmail, their bookmarks will show up here. And so you'll see I have mine bookmarked here. It's called 2016-2017 Agenda. This is what the agenda looks like for a student. Notice it says View Only, and you've got all these people that are visiting the page at this moment. On the left side, you've got an outline, which I'm not sure it's that helpful, but you can still scroll through it. Now, let's say you're searching for something like vocabulary. I'm going to go ahead and press Control F, and you'll see that this box pops up. You can really search for anything. What did I say? Vocabulary. So I'll click Vocabulary, and you'll notice at the bottom here, you already have things appearing, and it shows you 1 out of 6. You can scroll down or push this arrow down. It'll take you to the next time that it shows vocabulary. And if you press it again, it shows the 3rd time, and so on. So even if you don't know exactly what you're looking for, you can still navigate through and find the things that you need. Also, very helpful is we have the we have the most recent days up here at the top. So you'll see this week here is the 5th through the 9th. And anything that is underlined and typically in blue will be a link. So for example, tonight's homework, which is the 6th, says probability homework. I would click on it. It automatically opens up to the assignment. Your child, if they're signed in, you wouldn't have a sign-in button here. It would be their email address. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and close that. But even if you aren't able to print it out, you can still see it on screen and use a regular sheet of paper to solve. Okay, so back to this. The other really nice thing, other than having everything listed, is that there are some videos that we will post on occasion to help a student figure out what they need. Click on that. That opens right up to the YouTube page for NS Volley 28, which is mine. You can stop, you can rewind, you can watch it again. You can also go to the page and be a subscriber. Subscribing just means that you are being notified when videos are being posted. Okay, and you can also search right here in this bar where you're searching the channel to find anything on that channel. So you might be looking for ratio. And if you search, lots of videos will pop up. Okay, so I'm going to close that window. Now, at the very top, you'll notice this stays. We've got important announcement. It says Miss Ortega's birthday is December 8th. We'll be retesting. Actually, we'll change this. Retest. Well, I'll have to change in a minute, but retesting will happen later on in the week. Copy of journal notes, Think Through Math link are all really nice. If your student is behind on their journal, click on the journal notes link. Every single page that we have completed and glued into or written in our journal is right here. So let's say your kid doesn't do a very good job writing, or maybe keeping up, or it's just not as neat as you would like for it to be, or they would like for it to be. You can click on this. You can either have them rewrite it, or if you have a printer, you can have them print it out and glue it in. All right, so everything that you possibly could ever want for, I think, is probably available on this 2016-2017 agenda.